In this video, we will go over the terminal section of the platform. The terminal section will show you your balance, your account history, and kind of give you a overview of what's going on in the platform. So, as you can see by my balance, this is what I started the demo with, $5,000. There's equity and then there's free margin. So let me put a trade on and kind of help you see what all those levels are. Okay, balance is what I have in the account without taking into consideration any of the trades that I have on. Equity takes into consideration the trades that I have on. So you can see that the P&L for this trade is -2, or it's fluctuating in the negative. So therefore the equity is less than my balance. Once that trade goes positive, the equity will be more than the balance. Margin indicates how much money you are using for this trade. So from my account, I'm using $120 to place this one mini lot. Free margin means that I have $4,877 to place additional trades. The margin level gives you percentage of what you're using from the account. Once this number gets close to 0, you're getting close to being margined out, which means you're being close to having all of your positions closed automatically. So you want to keep an eye on this. Let's go ahead and close this order. Okay, so now since I closed that order, it will show up in my account history. My P&L, my profit, or my deposit 5,000, my one trade -4, and that's where the account balance is at. I'm down $4. Once you start to trade more, this list will grow, and you can actually organize it. You can get the data for the last 3 months, last month, last week. Then you can put it into a report so you can analyze how well you're doing, or if there's some sort of trend to what you're doing. So if you just click as Save as Detailed Statement, click Save, you will get a pop-up from on a web page indicating Lotus Brokerage Services, and you will see all of the information on your account history. It will even give you a chart. So I think that's very useful. Next to account history is alerts. If you can set up the system to alert you when certain trades have been triggered or closed. Mailbox, you'll get emails from us every once in a while that describes if we're changing something to the platform or things of that nature. Under experts, you will get an overview of what's going on in your experts section. So if I drag this onto the chart, you can see under experts that it says the data of that EA. Now if I go up here and remove it, it will say MACD removed. So that gives you a highlight of what's going on within the expert advisors. Next to that, you'll see a list of the journal, which keeps track of everything that takes place on the platform. If you're clicking on something, if you're putting trades on, it's going to take note of all that. So if anything happens, we can go in and look at your journal to see if there was some sort of error on our end or things of that nature. That is a basic overview of the terminal. For the most part, you're going to leave it on trade so that you can see your balance and you can see what trades are on and see what trades are pending.